Hi everyone. Okay, today we are going to do selling price in Microsoft Excel. You open the Microsoft Excel, you type exercise 4.1 as it is. I'm gonna read and do the bullets with you. They say you type the following Excel accuracy in Microsoft Excel, and then they say italic the main heading and font size must be 20. So what are we going to do? Just highlight the main heading, you go to italicize, you go and italicize it, and then make sure it is uppercase, and then the font, you change the font here. They say it should be 20, and then they say you label the postal code. How do we label the postal code? You've already typed it, the 9300, and then when you type it, now that it is numbers, it is going to be on the right hand side. So how do you then label it? To label it, to take it to the left hand side, sorry. Okay, you just double click, and then you make sure your cursor it is before the first number, and then you key in on your keyboard the inverted commas, and then enter. You will see that green thing, and then it is on the left, it is labeled. All right, now they say bold and underline all column headings. Draw, bold and underline all column headings. Okay, these are column headings. You highlight them, bold, underline. I'm gonna move a bit faster because now your video can't be this long. Now that I'm thinking about the data that you are using as well. Then they say draw correct borders. You are going to draw correct borders according to the exercise. According to the exercise, you are supposed to draw the correct borders. You highlight, you go to borders here, the down arrow, and then you select the outside. Firstly, there's a borders outside, and then you highlight column by column. You make it the right border until you continue. Now they say column width. They give you the numbers. For example, A, if they say columns, these are columns, right? Then the numbers are rows. These are rows. So when they're talking about the columns, alphabets. Now they say column A, you need to make it to 29.33. On top of the A, you see when you click on top of the number, the alphabet, it highlights the whole column. So you right click on the column, you go to column width, you left click on it, and then you change it to 29.33. 29.33, you just key in the number and then you say okay. So you do that to all the columns. You right click on the column, you go to column width, and then you change the number. And then they say insert the header and footer. All right, we go to page layout. This is page layout. We want to insert our header and footer. We go to page setup. There are many ways of inserting header and footer. So now we are going to go page setup, and then here you will see in this small crop box, you have a page, you have a margin, you have a header and footer. And then you go to, the moment you go to header and footer, it is going to give you both header and footer, where you need to customize them. Customize the header. When you customize the header, on the left hand side, it is going to give you the option to select or to key in your header, initial space, surname. And then on the right section, they say your student number. So you just click on the right hand side and then you say, okay. Customize footer. You read the instruction, what is required. They say insert file name. All those things you get them here. How so? By moving the cursor on top of each and every one of them. File, you see, page number, page, and then the date, and then the time, and then file name. No, this is file name. You just insert file name, and then they say left session, and then this is the left session. It's a file name, left session, sheet name, center. Okay, in the center they say they want you to insert the sheet name. You just click, and then on the right hand side, then it is your group. So the groups are not here on these icons. You just need to key it down. Group A, group B, group 02. Okay, so, and then you need to save this document. But before you save it, I want you to see the moment you insert your header and footer, you are going to have this dotted line. I'm not sure if we are going to see them clearly, but you're going to have some dotted lines in between your spreadsheet. Make sure you go back to page layout, page setup, and then fit to. Make sure you always select fit to one page, and then you say okay. So now you need to save this document.